Today I'll show you a strategy that can make you money in passive income again and again. This works anywhere in the world and also for absolutely free. In order to get every step right, make sure to follow me till the end of this video and stay tuned to get the free sources that will help you set everything up on autopilot. But just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. So if you love this type of content, then just give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any comment or opinion about this video, just leave a comment down below. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything you need to do. Your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is called Kraken. This is over at kraken.com. You're going to see that on Kraken you can buy Bitcoin and crypto, so this is like a crypto marketplace where you can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies. So if you scroll down, you're going to see all of the features that Kraken offers, like if you're new to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, there is no problem because they are going to help you a lot. You're going to see that they have everything that you need to buy, sell and trade crypto. You can trade with confidence because Kraken believes in security above everything. You can also get help from a 24/7 global support team. So there are a lot of other features in here, but not all of them are relevant because today we are not going to use Kraken in order to buy, sell or trade cryptocurrency. We're not here to spend any money, we're here in order to make money. So that's why all you need to do is to just scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page, and underneath about you need to click on affiliates here, because today we are going to promote Kraken as an affiliate. So it's going to take you over to their affiliate program page. You're going to see here how much money you can make and some other features as well. You have here that the payout is 20% of the trading fees collected from clients that you refer to them for the lifetime of the client with Kraken. So you're going to make 20% of commissions every time someone that you have referred to here are going to use Kraken. So it may not seem like a lot, but the thing is that people that use this kind of platforms invest a lot of money actually, and we are going to find people that will be interested in using Kraken. Of course, will be people that want to use it, that want to trade cryptocurrency and so on and so forth. So don't worry for that, but just keep watching till the end of this video so you can get the traffic sources that I'm going to give you, because I have two of them. So something else that you're going to see is that you can get paid up to $1,000 payout per referral. So each person can make you up to $1,000, which is pretty good actually. You're going to see that there are no deadlines. Payouts are made directly to your bank account instead of an exchange account. Payouts are made by bank transfer, and you're going to receive the payment in your bank account's default currency, which is pretty awesome actually. But in order to get started with their affiliate program, all you need to do is to just scroll all the way down, and then you're going to see here, click here to become an affiliate. Just click on it, and in the next page, of course, you're going to put some information like the full name, username, email, password, and so on and so forth. And once you do so, you'll be able to get your affiliate link that you can start, share with people, and make money, passive income most importantly. So as you may know, there are a lot of people that are interested in cryptocurrencies nowadays, and we're going to find many of them in order to refer them over to Kraken. So what you can do is to use the first method for today as a traffic source, which is going to be Quora. Quora is a community-based platform where people come here in order to gather and discuss about different things related to anything. You have a lot of categories right here, like health, food, science, books, and so on and so forth. But what you need to do over here is to, of course, search on the search bar, for example, where can I buy crypto? And you're going to find all of these people that are interested in that. They want to know some of the best the crypto marketplace, some of the best exchange platforms, and so on and so forth. And what you need to do is to just reply to all of them one by one, and you can change a little bit your answer so it cannot look like a spam. We're going to talk about Kraken, all of the features that it offers. You can say that you have used it by yourself. You can go over to all of the features that I told you before that can help you a lot, because they are some of the best features out there. And then you're going to just mention that they can get started with as little as $10, and then just leave your affiliate link over there. So like this, your answer is going to stay forever on Quora, and people that are going to search for this kind of question can see your answer even after some times. They can click on it and you can make money, passive income. So first of all, you need to put a little bit of your time and effort into this. Once you set this up, so then you can find the perfect customer for you, the perfect clients, and then just make money, passive income. Something else I want to show you is that Quora is being visited by more than 600 million of people every single month, as you can see, according to similar webs. So you have millions of potential customers over here. That's why I suggest you use Quora as a traffic source. So what else you can do is to go over to Google and search for cryptocurrency forums, and here you're going to find a lot of them. Actually, just open up these articles or even some of the forums, just like this one here called cryptotalk.org, and you can take part in all of these discussions. Of course, first of all, you can just communicate and engage a little bit with people. Don't make it obvious that you are promoting something, and then you can just tell them about a website that you have also used by yourself called Kraken, and you don't need to give the name, of course, at the beginning. You just need to give your affiliate link. You can go over to the feature that we mentioned before. You can say that even if they are new, there is not a problem, because Kraken is going to help them. They have everything they need in order to buy, sell, and trade crypto. That the Kraken believes in security above everything, and other features that you need to, of course, do a research here on their official website, so you can just give them to people over at those crypto firms. So you can find a lot of them over Google and take a part in as much as you can. Of course, as I said before, you're going to put a little bit on effort in the beginning, because you just need to set this up properly, and then you can just sit back and relax, and you're going to enjoy your profit. So you are going to help these people in order to find the best cryptocurrency marketplaces, but also you're going to win for this, because you're going to make money in passive income, and this is like a win-win situation for both of you. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and also subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next tutorial.